And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is the day, NASCAR Day 2022. You guys might remember the last time I drove this car. It's a cold winter's day. Luke is riding passenger seat. When I say passenger seat, he's straddling a fuel line. I lose control of the NASCAR. I nearly hit a telephone pole. Then I almost hit an electrical box, but I saved it and we lived to fight another day. Now, we have not driven the NASCAR in 9 months. I don't even know if the thing's gonna turn on, but we got the secret sauce. We got the special stuff. Wow, Luca. Nice toss right there. So assuming we actually get the NASCAR turned on, we're going to take it out to the roll races with the GTR and with the Veyron. Now, when I first unveiled the Nissan GTR, I put a target on my back. This car has 1,600 wheel horsepower. Everybody wants a piece of me. We got cars running in from Nevada, from Arizona, from Montana, from Idaho, from Wyoming. Everybody thinks they can beat the Nissan GTR. They can't beat the Nissan GTR. It's the bug killer. We have one guy who thinks he's a worthy opponent. Best of luck, mate. Now, before everybody gets triggered, I know, it's not a NASCAR, it's a stock car, blah, 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 blah. It's the same thing as saying NASCAR is far better for the algorithm. What motor that is, I have absolutely no idea. It's a Dodge V8 and it has some power. Now, Luca does not trust me driving anymore, which is ironic because I don't trust you driving either. We can never ride the same car. He blew up the Nissan GTR. I nearly killed Luca in the NASCAR. Okay. This is your best look. Okay. Easy peasy, no biggie. It's been so long since we've driven this thing, we don't actually know what we're doing. Ignition on, starter, come on. Full beans, baby. Let's go, let's go. We're definitely not gonna need the secret sauce. Oh, let's go, let's go. It's been far too long. NASCAR Day 2022. I'm not even out. Hey, Luke is so good. This is the loudest car. I don't even know if you guys can hear me now. That's so good. I told Luke to run it just for you guys. Let's do it, Luca. Let's go. Red line is 10,000 on the NASCAR. It's gonna be a good day. You know, we might not have the skill of a Daytona 500 team, but we got the heart and the passion, baby. Let's go, NASCAR, baby. Rusty Wallace will be proud. You know, we've had some American moments on the vlog, but I reckon a Ram TRX pulling a NASCAR doesn't get any more American than that. Luke's driving the Nissan GTR. I specifically told him, do not break it before we get to the racetrack. That thing looks so insane. You're gonna break it. Save it for the racetrack. This moment right here is dedicated to all the JDM fanboys, and we go bye-bye, bye-bye, go, go! This car, I'm telling you guys, it is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and right now, the temperature gauge, she's true and straight. I can drive this car with no hands on the steering wheel. Like, look at that. That is so good. Now, not only is Casey Draper the nicest guy ever, he's also our transport connoisseur, the best in the business. We brought you, dude. All in one piece.
Yeah, it didn't fall off. Thanks, Luke, for strapping it down. Right?
Yeah, shout out to Luke Terry as well.
I was a little worried each bump. I'm like, ooh.
Now, there's kind of sort of a couple ways today could go down. Unfortunately, I left my fire suit at home. If this car catches on fire, I don't know how I'm gonna get out because getting in is not the pretty. Actually, that was seamless. That was amazing. That was so good. How did I do that? Steering wheel pops on. Driving this car right now gives me major PTSD. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, NASCAR. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Give us idle. Give us idle. No biggie, baby. She's so reliable. Let's see how this baby goes. Come on. Come on, baby, NASCAR. This thing is so loud. I can't even hear myself think right now. Okay, so we're just gonna go try to warm this baby up, get the tires warm, because the last thing we want to do is lose control in NASCAR. We have a Toyota Camry in the middle of the road. Yeah, come on, screw buddy. We're literally like all over the place. Okay, we're getting the tires warmed up. This is gonna be wild. We're literally going probably like 35, 45 miles an hour. It sounds like we're going a million miles an hour, but really not. I do not believe my eyes. Massive Canadian. I'm sorry. No. No, you. I just embarrassed my reputation. Let's be honest, I have no reputation. This is so good. Now, I think probably like 5 minutes ago, I told you guys the over-under of the NASCAR the GTR blew up was 1-to-1. Well, you see, this right here is a representation of the tears that I'm crying deep inside my soul right now. It would appear that the coolant...
It's good.
Are we good?
It's just overflowing.
Oh, we're fine. That's the overflow. We're fine.
Good,
We're good. We're totally fine. It's just the overflow. No big deal. Well, it would appear, unfortunately, that NASCAR has died a very, very fast death. I can't really say that we're surprised. So I'm going to leave the car here. We're going to let it cool down, and then maybe in an hour or so we'll run it once the air temperatures have dropped a little bit. This thing is an absolute riot, though. There's no other car in the entire world. It revs to 10,000. You can't get any traction whatsoever. You're just holding on for dear life. It's got a 4-speed manual transmission. This thing is ridiculous. Now, you guys know I love Josh. Everybody loves Josh. The man has incredible genetics. He wins at everything in life. Just let me win on one thing. Just one thing.
What? What do you want to win at?
This race right now. Veyron versus supercharged Huracan, VF engineered supercharged Huracan, and of course, you carry your Yeti mug.
Yeah.
You gotta stay hydrated.
You gotta stay hydrated.
Here we go. Bugatti Veyron against supercharged Huracan. That's around 800 wheel. Oh, I gotta scoot up and go. Come on, Bug. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, 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 yeah. That was actually super, super close. Wow. All right, that's a little precursor, a little warm up. Get the juices flowing. Now we're gonna get in the GTR. That car is terrifying. The Veyron, like, it's so easy. You honestly don't even need any hands on the steering wheel. I'm too old for this. Like, my heart rate is spiked through the roof right now. We're now in the Nissan GTR, the Bug Killer, up against the Veyron. We're doing map 5. So there's a sheepy race Huracan here that I think is pushing like 1,600 wheel horsepower. So I gotta practice on this run. We're racing the Veyron. We should win. Map 5, rolling launch control. What could go wrong? A lot. There we go, baby. Bug Killer, Nissan GTR. We're map 6. Come on, baby. We're gonna do the rolling launch control. In 3, 2, 1. And go! Come on, GTR, go! Go! That was a terrible start, but this GTR is so fast! This GTR is so quick! Wow! I completely messed up the rolling launch control. I don't know exactly what happened. Also, the brakes on this thing are terrible. The brakes are terrible, but we're good. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! What happened? Hey, at least you didn't break it?
That happened. You built a way too fast a car, bro.
Dude, I messed that up so bad on the rolling launch control. I don't know if I'm qualified to race the Huracan.
You came out of nowhere. And
I know, and that, so I did map 6 right there. We were gonna do map 5, but then I was like, nah, I gotta do map 6. Yep. Okay, we need to do better though. NASCAR?
Done.
NASCAR. A slight change of sequence in the vlog. You want to go? Okay, so it's what? Tell me about the car. It's a Hefner twin turbo.
That's correct.
Huracan. What kind of power?
1650.
1650. What? I thought it was 1200. 1650 wheel or crank?
That's crank.
Okay.
14, right? 1400.
I cannot mess up.
Good luck.
Okay, Kingdom Come. Sorry, Bug Killer. It's not you. I'm a terrible driver. This is actually happening. Map 6, map 7, map 8, officially in map 9. We need everything we can get to beat that Hefner twin turbo. You guys know, I love Lamborghinis. Honestly, it's my favorite car brand, but I want to beat that car. Bug Killer against the Hefner TT Huracan. Rolling anti-lag. Okay, okay. Oh. And go! Come on, Bug! Go! Go! No! 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 Wait, what happened? What happened? He didn't cross. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I mean, I did beat him technically. I beat him, but he didn't cross the finish line. But he was beating me. I don't know what just happened there. Wait, what happened, Rich? You were winning. You beat me. I had to cut out.
I know.
What?
I don't know what happened. Let's run again, though.
Yeah, dude. Hey. Oh, wait, no, that's good. Yeah. Get out of here. Get out of here. Well, the time has come. NASCAR time. This might be my last time filming, honestly. I'm super nervous. Honestly, I should make Luke drive, but my health coverage doesn't cover Luke.
I'm good.
Oh goodness, this is scary. This thing has no driver's aids, 10,000 RPM. The tires are cold. This is such a bad idea on so many levels. Will it start? Old reliable, right? So definitely start. Come on, baby. Turn on. Ignition. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Look, you shut up out of nowhere. What are you doing?
Do you hear your brakes?
No.
They're so bad. You can hear them over that.
Okay, so apparently the brakes aren't working. Basically, I'm not gonna be able to stop. No. The camera could tell we were like a spaghetti noodle right there. This NASCAR, 10,000 RPMs. It's not fast, but goodness, it might be the most fun car I've ever driven. We lived, we survived. Rusty walls, baby, and the Daytona 500. So, bug killer against the Chevy Huracan. Good luck. Good luck. Yeah, I know. This is what I get. I get all cocky. These guys are calling me out. It's a Performante too. It's like a lightweight. Yep. My car weighs like 1,000 pounds more, and I've been eating way too much Chick-fil-A. But bug killer against Sheepy. I'm not trying to make excuses already, but I think the GTR might have met its maker. That Hefner twin turbo Huracan, the only reason we beat him is he cut power. This car is faster. This car already beat that car. So, yeah, we may have met our Widowmaker. All right, baby, here we go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Jeez, where's he going? Unbelievable. Come on, let's go. No! It cut power. I don't know what happened. It cut power. The car cut power. It's not a good race. I jumped the line anyways. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know exactly what happened right there. The GTR just cut power completely, but I jumped the line. But he took off like so fast. I was trying to track him down. Like, unfortunately, we were super rushed right there. It was not a good race in any form whatsoever. I mean, he beat me, but like it just wasn't good. I kind of sort of knew it was inevitable. The Nissan GTR, the bug killer, has met its Widowmaker. We took our first L. The GTR would not have cut power. Did you cut power? Would have got it. Cut power, yeah, yeah. 9? Map 9 cut power. Casey referred to it as, what did you refer to it as?
Just a strange occurrence of events.
Exactly, a strange occurrence of events.
I didn't pay that guy. I don't know.
Also known as, I'm taking it now. Look at this incredible teamwork right here. Whoa, whoa, Burlacker, start pushing, bro. I was about to shout you out. Casey, Draper, Luke, Terry, but without me, the ramp would be in the sky. So I'm doing my work too, you know?
You're holding it down.
That's right, baby. I don't even know where to begin with today's video, today's event. To everybody who came out to support me, thank you guys so much. I love you guys. What an absolute blast. I think the fastest car today was that Hefner twin turbo Huracan. He was pulling so hard on the Nissan GTR and then cut power. So like I officially did win, but I didn't really win. But then ironically enough, against the Chevy Huracan, I think I was pulling on him and then the GTR cut power, so he won. Just a very interesting sequence. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. It's just for fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And Lucas did not blow up the Nissan GTR. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. Whoa, 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 out of nowhere. What is this? Okay. I see you guys. I was not expecting that. Unbelievable. Rich is playing super coy, but deep down he's got the ice. And my trick on the Nissan GTR, I put a vitamin water under the hood to try to let air flow. Oh goodness, why am I so dumb?